Summer vacations and summer diet. This is not really an ideal time to gorge on fried, hot, and spicy food. But turning towards something cooling and comforting, the summer are here, and how as the country grapples with intense heat waves. The experts are predicting that things may get worse in coming days. The temperature may continue to soar and we must take all precautions. We can cope with the sweltering heat. Your weight loss diet could also play an instrumental role in the providing same respite. As you have may figured that this is not really an ideal time to gorge on fiery, hot and spicy food, but turning towards something cooling and comforting. Your tummy needs soothing foods and the season is abound with it. So here are the 6 cooling foods that could be your best diet-friendly companions in this scorching weather. Nothing complements the blazing heat as a glass full of coconut water. This drink is fully filled with electrolytes. The miracle potion helps keep you hydrated and energized. It is also contains a wealth of antioxidants. Mint or pudina is a summer staple. This is used in daily preparations. This refreshing herb has a immunity boosting power and it is effective in boosting digestion and also help give you a minty cool breath. Sabja seeds or basil seeds have a distinct fragrant quantity, which is why it is added to desserts and drinks. It also came with a range of health benefiting properties. According to nutritionists, sabja seeds are rich in antioxidants, helping controlling diabetes and also good for your skin. Cooling and crunchy cucumber is one of the most favorite summer foods. You can use it in the salads, juice and detox drinks and more. Replete with antioxidants and minerals, about 95% of cucumber is just water, which make it an excellent choice for dieters. Curd is again loaded with properties that could help boost digestion. Super light on tummu curd is also a storehouse of good bacteria that could help improve your gut functions. Sweet and delicious watermelon is full of water and nutrients. If you are craving something sweet and are refracting from sugar, you could have some chilled watermelon and static your craving without much guilt. For more information like this, please follow our page.